Hello Internet and welcome to my channel. Although I've not faced any thermal throttling or heating issues with the Asus laptop, but I've tried to use the cooling pad stand or the undervolting, and I will show you in this video how it worked out. Okay, so first of all, my setup is really basic. I'm a basic budget gamer, so nothing fancy here, just an IKEA desk, laptop, monitor, keyboard, mouse. I have plenty of space around the desk, but yeah, it's not the most ideal one you will find on the internet. My room temperature is always set at 27 degrees. I have a Xiaomi fan that constantly blows air towards the desk. So whenever I'm playing, I turn that fan on. And around the laptop, I got like 20 centimeter approximately behind the laptop. Bear in mind, this laptop has vents on the rear side. I'll show you here. There are two meshes and three meshes, approximately 2.5 on the rear side of the laptop, and there is one vent on the right side. This is the portion where you will find, if you touch this while gaming, this feels really hot. So I'm guessing this is the exhaust, and the inlet is somewhere at the bottom of the laptop. Here you can see some of those polygons. They have openings in it. You can see the fan under it or the circuitry. So I'm guessing that it takes the air from here and ejects it from the right side of the laptop. Anywho, this is the stand. It's again a budget stand. I bought it for about $3 on Amazon, and this is how the laptop sits on it. It's nothing fancy, just two legs. For this video, I will try this cooling pad, again a budget one. I bought it about for $10. It's a NC3300 from Zebronics. It comes with two fans, 120 mm, and the claim is that 75 CFM airflow is provided. I don't know what it means, but that's what's written. So here's the stand. It comes with two retractable legs, so you can set it at an angle. On the rear, there are two USB ports. Top is made of metal, and the bottom is a plastic mesh. It's a very simple design. Nothing can go wrong, and laptop sits on it just like this. It keeps the laptop about 2 inches above the surface. And the other stand that I used, that was variable. Just to connect it, connect the USB ports. The blue lights will turn on. These lights are just there for indication that it's working. It's barely audible. See if you hear anything. I don't. Okay, so let's start with the game. While the laptop is sitting on the desk, nothing, no assistance, just normal room temperature. I was getting about 42 watt power and 80 degrees centigrade. Now that's not too bad, but you may face thermal throttling here. That's kind of the upper cap for the GPU temperatures. I did not face a lot of thermal throttling, but if you want longevity or increase the life of your laptop, this may be considered a little bit high temperatures. Other than that, performance was amazing. No issues there. So with the stand, you will see a drastic drop. Immediately, I noticed about 5 degrees drop. So now the temperature was dropped to 76 degrees. Now bear in mind, I've been playing for a while before recording this segment. So this is not just starting. But anyway, the wattage is still the same. Performance is still the same. Temperature dropped just a little bit. 5 degrees, which is good, which is great. And you can see the fans are running at full speed. I've shown the RPM. Now this, I tried it with the cooling pad in this segment. You can see the internal fan of the CPU and GPU are running at full speed almost. Quite audible, 37 dB. When it is on a standby mode, it is about 27. And the temperature, I did not see a major change while using a cooling pad. It is still hovering around 76 degrees, 75 degrees centigrade. And performance, again, no major difference here. So next on the list is undervolting. If you have MSI burner, afterburner, you can press the curve. And here you can try the undervolt your GPU. First, select the frequency that you are getting and the voltage you are getting right now. So I'm getting about 900 millivolts at 1672 megahertz. So let's say I want to undervolt my GPU by 50 millivolt. So go to the 850 column, click the knot, press shift and pull the curve up all the way until you find the right frequency for your GPU, which was 1672. Once that is done, select the next node, select all the nodes after that while pressing shift, and while pressing shift, press enter twice. It will flatten the curve. Save the settings and go back to the game. And remember you have to try it while you are playing the game so you can get the exact frequency of your GPU. Please don't try that without watching few videos on internet on how to do that and the risk associated with this. Now with undervolting, I immediately noticed a drop in the wattage. Now you can see that it is dropped. It sometimes drops under 40 watt. GPU temperature also dropped by a couple of degrees, but not a major shift here. But there is hope. So next I will try to undervolt by another 50 millivolt. Again, go back to the curve edit. My current frequency is here. I will select the node at 800 millivolt. Press shift, raise the curve all the way up to 1672 megahertz. And then again, while pressing shift, select the next node and select all the nodes after it and press enter twice. Let's save and see the results. Okay, so now the GPU is undervolted by 100 millivolt. And you can see the difference. The power consumption had reduced to 35, less than 34 watt. And the temperature is also way closer to 70 degrees centigrade. Now with the cooling pad, I think it's pretty sufficient. I will get a decent life out of this laptop. So I will not try any further undervolting, but I can see there is room in it. Please again watch the videos before undervolting your system. I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching the video.